Holy crap, dude. This thing looks freaking sick. Oh, does it. What's going on, guys? So y'all probably saw about a month ago where Headlight Revolution sent us out these Morimoto headlights to put on the Silverado. We had the big high country grill on there, and yes, it did look really good, but at the same time, I just don't think these black housings flowed that well with the truck. I think it looks better with this setup. Factory lights, it just flows better with the chrome grills, the chrome accents and stuff. A lot of y'all really like this look, including myself, and we're totally capable of changing it right back if we do not absolutely love what we're fixing to do. But for the sake of having a usable truck while these headlights are out, the bezel on this was actually chrome. I'm sure y'all saw that. So I temporarily plasti dipped it white. Yes, I know it's plasti dipped. The whites are not going to match perfectly, but I didn't want to go get it professionally painted only for me to not love it and want it to be back chrome. We'll see how off the white is. I'm sure it's going to be completely off. It's going to be like a more matte than this glossy smooth whatever, but I think it is going to look really good, and if we absolutely do love it, I'll go get it professionally painted and we'll keep this look. I know a lot of y'all really do miss the Stormtrooper look. It was a killer look for a long time on this truck, but we've had this look for like what, 3 months now? It's been a pretty good while. So in the name of change, which I absolutely love, we're gonna swap it up, and I know a lot of y'all are excited to see the 24s on Larry. Maybe take some of the chrome off. We'll see how it all flows together and looks, because there is some like milled parts on the 22s out there, so it might look good still, but that's the plan. Yes, I have not forgotten Earl. We've got to get some actual street tires on there so we can drive it to get an alignment and all that good stuff, and then we can have fun with all the different setups on there. It's gonna look sick as well. Let's get to it. And just like that, the Stormtrooper is back. Treats me right. I will say it's kind of depressing going back to black wheels because you can't hardly see the wheels. I mean, just kind of disappear. This looks a lot better in my opinion with the black wheels, with the grille being black. Honestly, that is a super clean look. Even with the factory headlights, that's a super clean look. But we want to put the Morimotos in there, so let's go ahead and tear the front end apart, get the Morimotos in there, and hopefully get the bezels lined up good, and hopefully the paint or the plasti dip doesn't look absolutely horrible. We are rapidly running out of daylight, but I got the bezels on and they look absolutely sick. Probably gonna have to go back, do a little bit of fine tuning to get them to fit perfectly as far as like our body lines. But dude, that looks freaking sick. And got the black and white bow tie back on here. So let's go ahead and slap these things in the truck, see what they look like. Holy crap, dude. This thing looks freaking sick. Let's back it out of here, get it out in my field, get a little B-roll, check this thing out. there she is. I'm absolutely in love. This thing looks so freaking good. I have to admit, I have definitely, after seeing this, really missed the Stormtrooper look. Dude, it looks freaking killer. Like, I know the paint doesn't match perfect, blah, blah, blah. The fitment's not perfect. I gotta dial all that crap in, get it professionally painted and whatnot. But dude, like, ugh, it looks so freaking good. Oh my gosh. Bro. It seriously looks killer. And these are perfect for the Stormtrooper look because they're completely blacked out. Like, it's like having tinted headlights, like that look, but yet having killer headlights. Super bright, as you can see, super bright. If you do want to get these headlights, definitely go over to Headlight Revolution and pick them up. I'll have a link to it in the description. I've been stressing trying to get 3 videos filmed today. I had to abort on the Larian 24s. He's way over there. Got the rear ones on. I'll try to, I gotta do that another day. But thank goodness I did get this video done. The white is not too terribly off. Obviously it's not as shiny. It is more of a matte finish, but it's not super standoutish. The truck is freaking filthy. These wheels haven't been washed in months. I don't even know how they'll ride. They've been liable to be freaking flat spot. Definitely have to go check the air pressure and then sync our TPMS sensors so that the truck is all happy. But dude, I'm really stoked on this. I hope y'all like it as much as I do, because this might just be here to stay for a while. Just can't beat the Stormtrooper. Little stance, little Stormtrooper, little unique headlights. Gotta love it. All right, I'm gonna see the front end. Let's see if she likes it. Did you grow to like the chromies?
Yes.
You did like the chromies after all. She was very skeptical at first. Yeah, back to Stormtrooper.
Oh, I was afraid I wasn't gonna be able to recognize, like, see a difference.
Yeah.
I do.
So there, well, they don't turn on, but they're pretty
like
cool.
Those.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Blackout look.
Yeah.
I did this with plastic. Remember when you bought me that plastic can a while back? So I did it with plastic to try it before I got it paid to get it like actually painted. You didn't say the, what was your typical?
Oh wow.
Oh wow. Throw this in at the end. A little direct side by side. 24s and 35s. 22 for 12. 33s. While I will admit I think the stock headlights with tint on them is a better look overall, and I do like it a little bit better even though it's not quite as unique anymore. This is why I freaking love this setup, because I have super bright lights and I have the blackout look, whereas if you have tint on your headlights, you don't have very much light output. I do want to do the factory lights with tint with the last fit lights because those are dramatically brighter than stock ones, but dude, morimotos, blacked out, still doing awesome. I love it. Figured we'd end off the video here since I did a couple more things. So just got done washing, quick wash on the truck, nothing too crazy, but the thing was filthy. Got the wheels cleaned up a little bit. We took the chrome off of the door trim, and then I took the bow tie off the rear, which I painted the factory one to put back on there because I do like how it looks with the bow tie on there, but I don't feel like waiting for it to dry off and do that today. So gonna be doing that a different day. Took the handle, chrome piece off the handle, and I think that's a full chrome delete. She's fully Stormtroopered now. And I'm probably gonna make an update video on my experience putting the 33s back on there, because it's been an enjoyable experience. I'll probably do an in-depth video on that, but still liking it a lot. Looks sick. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'm out of here. Oh, quick peek. Can y'all see Larry? Can y'all see Larry? I'm gonna give y'all a little teaser for the Larry vid. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it.